Hello and welcome back to JTH Reviews. I am JTH of JTH Reviews. Today I want to do a short little video. It's just going to be, we'll call it, let's do a quick look at it. This is going to be the Compak S class by Sigelei. And here's your box that it comes in. Here's your device. This is the device. Nice looking. A little bit of shine on it. There's your venting for your battery. Inside is an internal, non-changeable, non-interchangeable LiPo battery. This is the tank. Let's see. No, I don't remember what they actually call the tank, but either way, it's a decent little tank. It ain't the best on it, it's got some flavor, and it's got, look at that, check that out. Ooh, matchy matchy. So you got some color matchy O-rings on the inside. Check that out. Look at there. Yep, got some juice in it. And here's the front. There's your power button, and it lights up. Nice little bright light. At the bottom, your charger. And let's see. In this comes your device with the these fun little boxes. It's best to kind of start like that right there, and then just kind of shake them or get a hold of them. Everything comes out. All right, there that, and you'll get your little warning label and stuff that comes on it. Do this, don't do that. Be careful with this, and if it's not upside down, that usually helps. And there is your warning. You've been warned. And in there comes, you'll see the device sits here, tank sits here, charger right here. So that's what comes in it. On the back, contents. Everything comes in it. Get your Compak S class, get your USB cable, warranty card, and you have tank. They just call it tank. See? Tank. And not one, but check that out. 2 user manuals. Yep, they got 2. Not 1, but 2. Now, here, all of you that's curious about it and stuff right here, this will explain it a little better than I can do. Because I was just going to say high, medium, and low, which it's kind of, it'll put you in mind of the pins, like some of the VV, the variable voltage, the vape pins and such. That's what it kind of puts me in mind of. You have a get your device out. You're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what happens when it turns on and off. That's your notification. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quick little rapids. There we are. And 1, 2, 3 to low. Right there. See, like I said, low, medium, and high. And 1, 2, 3. Medium. 1, 2, 3. Changing it again. Now this is your indicator light that you see right there above your charging port. And anytime that you put any, you can, and you don't have to use just this tank. You don't have to. I wanted to try it out, see how it is, because I got this the other day. Matter of fact, I got 2 of them. Somewhere I got a blue one, and giveaway. All right, those of you that are listening, I'm going to give you the chance to possibly win the giveaway. But, however, that's going to be, down the road. I can't start giving away stuff, right out the gate, because to be quite honest, I don't have a lot of stuff that I can buy and just plainly give it away. Everything that I review and am going to review, unless I state otherwise, it's out of my pocket. Everything, and I do mean everything. light stays lit while you are holding down the button, and I mean, it's all right. You know, the E6 City. That's it. E6 City. You got to check them. For certain times they have blowouts. Different places have blowouts. I think 10, 12 bucks. All this little feller, tank, everything. You get the whole deal. Charge a cable, device, tank. But like I said, it's let's do this right and not try to drop nothing. 1, 2, 3. Now, right there, as you'll notice, is the low, or the L setting, which is low. It's basically for each range that you have is your settings of 20, 30, and 40 watts, which is ranging from 3.2 to about a 3.7. I would say the middle is about a 3.7 voltage, and 4.2 for the high. And it's, like I said, it is a built-in 2000 milliamp hour battery. As you'll notice, there's no battery door, and do not mess with this, folks. Don't mess with it. Okay, battery's internal, 2000 milliamp battery, 2000 mAh, and that's just the way that it is. If you're new to vaping, or this is like, hey, this is the first device that you do get, or a step upgrade that you come from a vape pen or something, ego device, then you just vape it. When it dies, charge it, or it gets low. The light at the bottom right down here, as I stated a minute ago, that will go red. Now there's a certain thing in the card. It will tell you like so many clicks. It's going to flash right here to change. Flashes off and on. All three light up and flash here. Now, when you are under or over a certain resistance, I think below, if you're below 0.15, the resistance, this light will flash, and that lets you know you are too low, so you can't run whatever you got on it. And if you go over like 3.0, yeah, 3 ohms, then it'll flash. Now there's a sequence that it flashes for each different thing, and like I said, on the with the quick little review on this is a quick look, and that's what we're doing. We're going to keep it short and sweet. So on the next video that I do, I want to try this out for, I don't know, about a week, something. Give it some time, because any of my other devices that I've got, and I'm going to have up in just a day or two. I've had them for a long time, and I don't usually just oh, get it out of the box, look here, yeah, 20 minutes, or something like that. I don't do that. I don't just try it for 20 minutes or what have you. And there, high setting. The medium works pretty good on it. The low, if you're new and stuff, I would recommend that you close this airflow system down here. Go down to about 3/4 of the way open or something, or a third of the way, and that is going to be what your airflow intake. As you can see, decent cloud production, and the flavor, it's okay. It's not the best, but it's not entirely the worst. For a sub-ohm tank, which that's what this is, sub-ohm tank, it's okay. It's okay. Now, from what I can understand, the coils for these are the C's or something along that line. They are hard to find. Now, have I personally sat down? No, because I just got this and I haven't done all that stuff. But I will, and I'll get that information to you. So, on that note, let's, of course, like I said, I wanted to do a quick little one. Don't want it to be too long. This is your drip tip top cap. This will unscrew counterclockwise, and you'll have two kidney shaped in there. And the reason I don't want to do that is because, well, for one, I don't want to dump out the juice that I do have in there, but I'll do the best I can without it. Right there. There's one of them, and like I said, there's two. There they are. I ain't getting no more than that, because then I'm going to have some leakage. And it's not the tank's fault. It's my fault. Because listen, folks, I've noticed in the community, everybody talks about this tank or that tank, like, oh, it leaks, oh, it does this, oh, every time I go to fill it up, man, it just pours out juice. Well, I don't understand. I hate this tank. Well, first off, let me help you. If you're going to fill it up, then you need to be closing the airflow section off. Shut it down. Okay? And then secondly, if you're that worried about it and you don't want to get on your device down your buttons and stuff, which can cause trouble, all right, I'll suggest that you take the tank off. Hold the tank in your hand, unscrew the cap, get your juice bottle, and you don't fill it up. Do it that way. Don't make it more complicated than it has to be. So that's the way to do it. Shut off the airflow right here. Take this off and be quick about putting your juice in. Don't sit there for 5 minutes or set it down and walk off and expect it not to leak. It's going to, if you got your airflow coming in here and there's your air, your air hose, it's going to leak. They will leak. So that's a given, because you are not restricting it and the air can flow. So what's going to happen when gravity takes a course and does its part? It's going to leak. It's going to happen. So prevent it and you won't have the issue. Ounce of prevention goes a long way, folks. So with that, all right, like I said, keep in mind the buttons and the tank, and that's all I'm going to talk about for this right now. And that quick look at it, I'll go into a full depth review. I'll get specs and all this if that's necessary. In the comments below, you can suggest or ask to do something, do this, do that. Hey, what's this? Or I want to see this on it, or I want to see this about it. And that goes for anything that I've got on my videos or reviews and stuff. You can suggest or ask, and you don't have to be hateful. You don't have to get all mean. People like, oh, you're big dummy. You don't do this. You don't do that. No, just simply request it, because you know what? It's real easy. I just have to delete your comment, and I don't have to deal with it no more. Problem solved. So, with that being the device and talked about it, and that's all I'm going to do for right now. I'm not going to go into any more details. Just keep in mind, if you do get one, e-cig City, 10 or 12 bucks, I think. Normally, this is probably a 20, 30, maybe as far as $40 device, because it is a kit. Notice that I said it is a starter kit, and everything I showed you comes in it. And yes, folks, yes. Notice that right there. It says 18 to 21, but you got to be 18 and up in the U.S. So that is in some places now. I think they're going to try to go push for 21. Don't know, but if you're underage, don't do it. I know that it's appealing to some people, and especially underage kids and stuff, but just don't do it. Just don't do it. It's same as it is a regular tobacco product as far as that goes on the price and regulations, but 95% harm reduction when you go to the vapor. I can tell you that much right now. If you don't believe me, check out Royal College of Physicians, and they'll tell you. Got this is plain as I can put it. Links below in the description. There is stuff down below. And on this side, or maybe over here, or over here, there, or up here, I will have a little spot. You can click on it, and it's to subscribe if you if you feel that you want to watch another video, or you might want to get notified about that, when you click subscribe, there's a little bell beside of it. Click that bell. And if you think I did a good job, hit that like button. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, notifications, hit the bell. You'll get them all when I throw up another video, and when I possibly go live here in the close future. Oh, and yeah, I'll put it in another video about the giveaway. And yeah, I will be doing giveaway, and it's out of my pocket. And more than likely, somebody will be winning the blue Compak S. Yep, full kit, everything you need except for the juice. That's on you. If I can do that much. And you know, there will be I think it's like a $10 PayPal fee or something like that. All that will get straightened out. But now, however, that's probably going to be, you know, there's got to be a goal. Like, you know, like probably 500 subscribers, 500 subs. We get this number up and up and up, and more giveaways, more chances for stuff, more and more and more. So I greatly appreciate you stopping by and sticking around, and come on back and see me. All right, so JTH of JTH Reviews, and have a nice day.